Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This sport twin just arrived with only 1,991 miles. Perfect condition, black and white with the graphics kit. It's got heated electric grips, smoke windscreen, engine guards, or frame sliders. Beautiful condition, just like new. Come on by, make your Ninja 650 dreams come true. This heated grip bike, only $84.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.